What's up, homies? Today we're going to be doing an install that I should have done a really long time ago. We're going to install some all-weather mats. These are by LED Factory Mart, and they sent these over so that I could review it. We're going to rate them on 3 categories: coverage, ease of install, and material. To compare them, I want you to see the ones that Toyota gave me as the all-weather package option, which, to be honest, these are terrible. They barely cover anything in the back row. And honestly, that's where I usually have most people and my dog, so it needs to have some good coverage. These ones are the ones by LED Factory Mart, and they already come molded. This is how they come out of the package, and the material is really thick. The best thing about it is that the install is very easy, so 5 stars there. It fits like a glove, and honestly, you just clip it in. The rear one has excellent coverage. Not only does it cover the middle part, it actually covers a little bit extra under the seats when they're in normal position. And the passenger side also has more coverage than the factory one. So on coverage and on material quality, 5 stars. Here's an extra look on how it all looks together. And as always, everything's linked on my profile, so if you guys want to take a look at it, go support the businesses who support us. Again, thanks for watching the video. See you guys on the next one.